Thank you for watching another episode of Stallonis Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. I'm Mrs. Stallonis Reviews, and today we are going to be building and reviewing the bunny and chick. It's another find from Temu by Buildify. It's got 291 pieces, just a really quick build for Easter. And let's see what's in here. We've got, looks like 4 bags of parts. They're numbered, which is always a good sign. We've got the directions. They look pretty clear as directions go. And it looks like there is about just shy of 90 directions, so shouldn't take me too long to build. And then we will go ahead and let you know whether this is one of Temu's best or not. Alright, so there we have it, the completed chick and bunny build on their seesaw. In general, I feel like this is one of the best Temu builds I've done. It was lots of fun to build, with very few, actually, I'm not even going to say few issues, no issues. We did have to try and add some bricks to the chick to see if we could make it balance like it does in the picture, but the seesaw is just, the bunny's just heavier. So we gave it a try, but it didn't work, but I still really loved this build. It was lots of fun. It was easy. So definitely one I'd recommend. Don't forget to please hit that like button and subscribe to Stallonis Reviews.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.